What's going on, you guys? We are back here on All Things Bearded to talk about all things bearded. If you're new to this channel, there's a like and subscribe button down below. You can hit whatever you want to. Now today we're going to be talking about Live Bearded and their brand new scent profile of Canyon. Now this is their latest scent, and I was not around in 2020 to do the rebranding video for them, so I am glad that I'm finally able to do it. If you're new to the bearded community, Live Bearded is a huge company. I think they have 76,000 subscribers on YouTube, 56,000 followers on Instagram. They're not little, they are big for a reason. So let's just go ahead and dive into this review. So for this review, I actually have the complete kit of the Canyon line. This is a beard wash, a beard conditioner, a beard oil, a beard butter, everything a beardsman could possibly need. It retails for $64.99. If you want to check out the price of all the items individually, I will link their website down below. You can check that out. At this time, I don't know if I'll have a coupon code, but if I do, I will throw this in the video edited or in the description below. So keep on the lookout for that coupon code. It might be able to help you save some cash from Live Bearded. So let's just go ahead and talk about the Canyon scent first, because I feel that's most important and probably what people are tuning in the most for. I will be smelling this out of the beard butter. I get the best whiff of this scent profile from the butter right now. So this is a scent profile of juniper, cypress, and fir needle. Guys, smelling this scent right here, it's amazing. It is fantastic. It's wonderful. I don't have enough adjectives I can really throw at this. It is the best forest outdoor scent profile I have smelt to date. You really do get the juniper and the cypress up front for just a woodsy, pure cedar type vibe. On the back end, you get the fir needle. It's not overpowering. It is blended perfectly to round out for just a pure forest outdoor type scent profile. I personally love the outdoors. So for me personally, this is more of a just calming, relaxing, mellow scent, because I really do resonate with that being outside. If you love the forest or going hiking or being outside, Canyon is really the scent profile for you. It's all you're going to need in your life. I really wish and hope that maybe in the future Live Bearded will go down that candle venture that everybody's going down, or mandel, whatever you want to call it, because I would have no problems with my house smelling like Canyon 24/7. So now we have the scent out of the way, we'll just go ahead and go in the order of how I use these products throughout the day. I'll go ahead and start with the beard wash. Now this beard wash is fantastic. I had zero problems with it. Now it does strip your beard lightly, it's not overpowering, and the suds are pretty much on a medium level, but the scent is not overpowering. It's enough that you're really going to appreciate it in the shower. Fantastic job with the wash. It really does what it's supposed to do, so no complaints at all with the beard wash from Live Bearded. So next up, I have the beard conditioner from Live Bearded. This was released in 2020. It is their first beard conditioner. It is made with all natural products. It also has biotin and caffeine in it. It's made for all types of beards. I really wish I would have tried this sooner, because this really is the best conditioner I have ever tried. It is in my #1 spot for conditioners right now. It comes out of the container pretty thick, but once you get that in beard, it really glides through your beard easily. Your beard feels soft and nourished. My beard really has never felt as good as it did when I used this conditioner from Live Bearded, and that Canyon scent just really puts it over the top for me. So right now, Live Bearded conditioner is a must-have, must-try, especially in this brand new Canyon scent. So next is the beard oil from Live Bearded. Now this is in a 1 ounce amber bottle. It has the restrictor cap on top. Now something that is new that I have not seen anybody else do is inside this cap, there is a stopper, so it's really going to fit into the restrictor cap hole, block out anything from getting out. It's going to be safe in transport, and you're not going to have to worry about losing any of that precious beard oil. Now as far as this rebranding is concerned, I love the way these labels look. I love the forest illustration that is provided on every bottle. Has that scent profile broke down on it. I love the way that looks as well. So overall, a great job with the beard oil presentation so far with Live Bearded. So your care oil blend is going to consist of argan oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, and then your natural fragrances. As far as a fill-in beard is concerned, guys, it was top notch. My beard and skin really did draw in this beard oil extremely fast and well. Left my beard feeling light and healthy. Everything you want your beard oil to do for you. The tint is on the clearer side, and as far as viscosity is concerned, it's in that happy medium between light to medium for me personally, but no complaints whatsoever with this beard oil. So the last item I have to go over is the beard butter. Now with the rebrand from Live Bearded, this was the one item that I really wanted to try. To be completely honest with you, their old beard butter, I just did not like it. It had a spongy feel up top. It was hard to get out of a container for me personally. Did not embody what I really wanted my beard butter to be. Let me tell you guys this much, this new beard butter that they have, it is amazing. Comes in a 3-ounce plastic container. It is TSA certified and approved. If you want to get on an airplane with this in 2021, by all means, you are free to do so. Has that beautiful label wrapped around the container. I personally love to stack my beard butters, so anytime that label is wrapped around that beard butter container, that is a win for me personally. Now, getting this out of the container, it is silky smooth, guys. This does have a little bit of a body to it with a light hold for a beard butter. Feels great in beard, guys. I actually used too much of this the first time I tried it because I was using the same amount that I use from other companies. I didn't even need that much. A little bit goes a long way. I was really only needing 3/4 what I was getting from the other guys. So that's more beard butter that's gonna last for me in this container. The beard butter from Live Bearded is on point now. It is a game changer and a must try, so check it out. So overall, my experience with this whole line was exceptional. It really did exceed all my expectations. That Canyon scent is something special. I can really see that being a top scent in 2021. I really suggest you guys check that out, as well as this complete kit that I went over, because for the price, this is a great deal for any beardsman. And also that merch that they're putting out is on point. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, stay safe and stay bearded.